this tastes good.
Hey guys, how you doing? It's Henry and Mowers and Blowers. Yes, I know, this looks unfamiliar, right? Well, I'm at my mom's house in Queens. Thought I'd take Boba out here and kind of mow her lawn. I do it about every weekend. But last time I was here, I had a difficult time with this weed whacker. I've had this weed whacker for maybe 20 years. I bought this for $99 at Home Depot 20 years ago. Weedeater Fl25 25Cc. Let me tell you, never done anything to it. Works great, always. But last week when I was here, it seemed to stall after a little while, and then I'd move it around and then it would start again. So I found out the filter came off, and for some reason the fuel line seems really short. I don't know why it would be short. It's not like it gas shrinks it or something, but and it doesn't look like it's a break or anything. It's just super short. See? So if the I guess back then I was thinking if it's only here, all it needs to do is sit here, you know. But if you're on the side here and the gas is down here, this is not going to reach. You know what I mean? So while this is still a decent hose, I mean, it could use changing, but I brought this extra line here from home, and I'm just going to extend it all the way down to here. You know what I mean? It's going to be that long. So it's easy to do, I hope. I'm just going to pull this out. Okay. Just yank it out of there. I brought my, I don't know what you call these. I think they're forceps if you're a surgeon. Maybe they're forceps, I'm not sure. Damn it. Well, it's still there. I'm going to use some side cutters to get that remaining part off. You guys don't gotta watch that. Tell you, that's not bad. For 20 years, I've never changed it before, but this was a pain to get off. So here we go. I'm just going to connect this part onto this nozzle. And of course, that's right, hotter than hell. It's really been bad lately. No rain, it's just been bad. Oh man, it's tough to get on. Get this so you can see. You guys see that? Damn it. So then I'm just going to run this. I'm going to pretend that it's like that. And so it should be like around that. Better to do it longer than shorter because you can always shorten it, you know. This goes into this hole here. So maybe give it that long. Around there. So I'm going to just cut it right here. Some side cutters. Watch, I'm going to cut it on an angle like this. Okay? So if you cut it at an angle, right? It's nice and sharp like that. It's easy for you to just stick it in the hole. Stick it in the hole! That's what she said. So if you can see it on that side, which I can't, I'm going to try to just slowly screw it in and push it in. That's what she said! Okay, I can kind of see it now. So now you need these things. If you don't have these things, you should get some because there's no other thing that you could have that would work. I think I pinched it. You got to pinch it. You know, the tip. Pinch the tip! That's what she said. Alright, enough of that. And there we go. I grabbed it. And there it is. I got it. So once you get this pulled in, and it's tight now. It's good. You want a tight fitting. That's what she said. I'm just sitting here sweating. It's terrible. We've had no breaks. It's been a week straight. Just hot. Sun. Humidity. Okay. So then once you have it out, you cut the sharp part straight. 90-degree cut. Ugh. Filter works. You want to give it a suck. That's what she said. Has the excess piece there. And there we go. Just drop that in there and hope it goes all the way to the bottom. And it does. So now this way, you got gas in there in any direction, it'll be sucking up gas. I'm going to fill this up and get cracking. So that's how you change a fuel line. It's pretty easy with this model. Fl25 Weed Whacker. $89 or $99. I bought 20 years ago at Home Depot. It's worked great. And it does the job for Queens. See you guys next time on Mowers and Blows. Hey guys, support my channel. Buy a sticker. Also follow me on Instagram at Mowers Blowers. Check out my website, mowersblowers.com. See you guys on the next project. Have a great day.
Henry, I gotta go. I'll see you next time on Mowers and Blowers.